So we've discussed how to add web links or URLs to your Moodle page, and I've also discussed how to specifically add links to YouTube pages to our Moodle pages as well. However, there is a further way that you can deal with the YouTube pages when it comes to Moodle, and that's by using a technique called embedding the video. And this is an example of an embedded video here. So as you can see, what I've actually done is taken a video from YouTube, and it's embedded, it's placed, rooted in my Moodle page here along with all the topics and everything. When a student comes to this page to look at their course, they can watch the video sitting here on their Moodle page without having to navigate away to YouTube or watch it in a pop-up. And that might be something that you'd be interested in doing, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So as per usual, the first thing I need to do is click Turn Editing On in the top right hand corner. And I'm going to come down to an empty topic here. We'll use topic 3, and I'm going to click Add an Activity or Resource. Now, when we were adding the link to a YouTube video, we used the URL button down here. Adding an embedded YouTube video is slightly different. To do that, we need just really a blank canvas to work on, and that's the label function. So we're going to click on that and click Add. Now, adding a label is usually just used to type some text into a Moodle page, just whether that be notes for a student to follow or a description of something within the Moodle page or something like that. But we're actually going to use this, as I say, this sort of blank piece of writing space here to tell Moodle that we want to put an embedded video into here, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. The first thing we need to do though is we need to grab the video from YouTube. So again, I've got this little video open here in YouTube. Again, it's the video about using simple search within the ebook provider eBury. And if it's this video that I want to embed in the Moodle page, what I need to do is I need to click on this button here, Share. You see it even comes up in the little tooltip, Share or Embed this video. So I'm going to click Share, and I'm then going to click Embed down here, Embed. And what you see is it generates a little piece of computer code here, and that's a little piece of code that we're going to put into Moodle to tell Moodle to grab the video from YouTube and display it on the YouTube course page. There's lots of options down here. I would tend to use most of those unticked actually. We don't want to show suggested videos or anything like that. The only thing you might want to play about with is the size of the video, and you notice that as I click different sizes here, it's changing the width and the height that the video is going to display. And so if I change that to 640 by 360, 640, 360, 853, 480, 853, 480, I'll just use the smallest one here for an example, so 560 by 315. And then what I want to do is right click on this wee piece of code and click copy. So that's it copied now. We need to go back then to our Moodle page. So this again is where we've been adding the label, but rather than just pasting the little piece of code that we've just copied straight into this box, what we need to do is we need to click on this little button here, Edit HTML Source. HTML is again just another computer language, and that's what we're going to be playing with now. So we're just going to click on the Edit HTML button, and it launches a new window which again we can type in. So I'm just going to right click and paste in that little piece of code that YouTube generated for us, click Update, and you can see there that wee video has dropped into my Moodle page, into that label. So then when I click Save and Return to Course, you can see it was under topic 3 that we did it, and there under topic 3 inside this label is the YouTube video which we have embedded now in our Moodle course using that little piece of code.